Hey everyone, and welcome back to the lab. Today we're swapping our lab coats for wizard robes because we're about to brew a real-life magic color-changing potion. It looks like something straight out of a fantasy movie, but I promise it's all 100% real science. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of color chemistry? Let's get started. First up, every good potion needs its base. We're starting with some plain old water. But this is where the first bit of magic comes in. I'm adding a few drops of a special indicator. This one is called phenolphthalein. Right now it looks completely clear, just like water. It's our secret ingredient, patiently waiting for the right conditions to reveal its true colors. Think of it as an undercover agent in our beaker. Now for the next step in our potion-making process, we need something to activate our indicator. I've got a solution here that's a base, specifically sodium hydroxide. Remember to always be careful and have adult supervision when handling chemicals like this. Now watch closely as I pour this base into our water and indicator mixture. Abracadabra, look at that. It instantly transforms into this brilliant, vibrant pink. Isn't that incredible? Our clear liquid is now a beautiful magenta potion. This happens because the phenolphthalein indicator turns pink when it's in a basic or alkaline environment. It's not magic, it's pH science. But wait, the magic isn't over yet. A good wizard should be able to reverse their spells, right? So, how do we change this pink potion back to clear? If a base made it turn pink, what do you think will reverse it? That's right, an acid. But we're not just going to pour in some boring old acid. We're going to use a bit of theatrical magic. I have a block of dry ice here, which is just solid carbon dioxide. It's super cold, so I'm using tongs to handle it safely. Get ready for the grand finale. I'm going to drop this piece of dry ice into our pink potion. Watch what happens. Wow, look at all that bubbling and fog. The dry ice is sublimating, turning directly from a solid into a gas. As the carbon dioxide gas dissolves in the water, it forms something called carbonic acid. This acid starts to neutralize the base we added earlier. See how the color is slowly starting to fade? The pink gets lighter and lighter as the solution becomes less basic. The bubbling is getting more intense, creating this amazing cauldron effect. And there it goes, completely clear again. The spell is broken. We've successfully brewed a potion that changes from clear to pink and back to clear again, all with the power of chemistry. We saw how a pH indicator like phenolphthalein reacts to bases and acids, and we used dry ice to create a fantastic visual effect while changing the pH of our solution. Science truly is the real magic. It's all about understanding the world around us and how different substances interact. I hope you had as much fun with this experiment as I did. If you try this at home, make sure you have a grown-up to help you. What other magic experiments would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next scientific adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.